my name is Sucharita. This is Film Companion Reviews. You're watching Not a Movie Review. And right now, I am not going to be reviewing Pirates of the Caribbean, Salazar's Revenge / Dead Men Tell No Tales.
There ain't no grave can hold mine.
This is a tale that really did not need telling. My life is not enriched in any way. If anything, I lost 250 plus 420 rupees in Uber charges back and forth and 3 hours worth of brain cell fuel. Captain Jack Sparrow is broke, being a random drunk with the leftovers from his trusted crew. अब सिर्फ गिने चुने बचे हैं उसके पास. कट रही है लाइफ. दूसरे हाथ पर Captain Will Turner's son is looking for his cursed undead father.
कहाँ हो तुम?
Whose spell can only be broken using the trident of Poseidon. Then, तीसरे हाथ पर, there is an orphan Karina, whose father straight up handed her the diary of Galileo Galilei, which might or might not hold a map no man can ever read. She is also seeking the trident because औरत के बिना script boring हो जाती है. And then, चौथे हाथ पर, there is Armando Salazar Slytherin and his army of the undead, who is also looking for the trident to break his own personal curse, and also wants to find Jack Sparrow, of course, because for some reason, सबकी दुश्मनी एक ही से है. Adding to all these stories, there is the British Army being their incompetent selves, of course, Captain Barbossa and his monkey, and token sexy witch with questionable oral hygiene who drinks goop and kills rats. You know the consistency of khichdi, when you add too much pani to it, and then you put it in the fridge, forget about it for 4 days, eventually take it out and heat it to eat it, and then it's still got what one would imagine is important for it to work, but it's stale, it hasn't kept well, and it's probably hanikarak for sehat. My point is, ye baasi khichdi analogy. You know, my one big issue with Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 was that there wasn't enough Star-Lord, the humor, the character that I was looking forward to. Now, the most memorable character in the Pirates ensemble is definitely Captain Jack Sparrow. But there's barely any Jack Sparrow, yo. I mean, he's around for the entirety of the film, but that's just what he is. He's around. Jokes are few and far between, like a Paul McCartney cameo playing Uncle Sparrow, which I can only imagine he did as a thank you for having Johnny Depp star in his My Valentine video. Or one fun moment where Karina tries to explain to a bunch of brute pirates that she's a horologist and academically inclined, which one of them compares to their mother also being a horologist, just horizontally reclined. There's not enough laughs. Sure, certainly, the CGI and all kinds of special effects are the best money can buy. Top-notch technology. Undead skeletal sharks, literal parting of the seas for a marvelous-looking climax sequence. The makeup, sub. But special effects don't make it the film. Interesting characters do. You see, the old ones we've already forgotten about. It's been, what, 6 years? And the new ones are just so blah, with the exception of Javier Bardem. I don't really give a shit about any of them. Not a single one. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, Pirates of the Caribbean, Dead Men Tell No Tales / Salazar's Revenge is $230 million have been spent on this movie. What is that, like 14,000 crore rupees or something? मैंने पूरा Bandra West खरीद लेना अपने में यार. This film has literally not even been shot in the Caribbean. Yeah, for the first time in the franchise. We shoot lots of videos here at Film Companion. It's beautiful. Watch them all right here. Subscribe. Do it. You know you want to. Yes.